Hey guys, the genus Amaranthus contains upwards of 70 species of plants, and it can be found on every continent. Though most species are considered weeds, only a dozen or so of the Amaranthus have been cultivated by humans. And they're cultivated for their beauty, for their edibility, and for their protein content. The entire plant is edible, the leaves are edible, the seeds are edible. 3 species of amaranth cultivated for their grain production would be Amaranthus cruentus, Amaranthus hypochondriacus, and Amaranthus caudatus. They're not true cereal grains, they're called pseudograins. So there's that. And here's a really big variety here. Some of them get up to 9 feet tall. And it's some of the oldest food that humans have been eating and cultivating. In fact, amaranth seeds have been found at mid-Holocene era archaeological sites in Argentina, dating back over 8,000 years. The archaeological records indicate that A. cruentus is the original cultivar, domesticated close to 6,000 years ago. Examples have been found in the caves at Tehuacan Pueblo in Mexico. Now, an early agricultural site dating from around 4000 BC, that's Tehuacan Pueblo. It's believed the seeds migrated to this pueblo from their original domestication point, which means they did not start there, so they came from somewhere else. It's hard to track the exact beginnings of amaranth, but the most robust record of amaranth comes from the Aztec Empire. So let's just take a look over here what we got going on. That's some real big amaranths. Those are beauties. So amaranth was one of the most major crops of the Aztec Empire, along with maize and beans, all of which we have right here. The Aztec Empire dominated central Mexico in the 15th and 16th centuries. So there's that. Now amaranth is also very present in the archaeological and historical record of Southeast Asia and China. Amaranth seeds found in Uttar Pradesh date back to 1100 BC. Consensus has not been reached whether amaranth has 2 distinct origins in Asia or the Americas, or if amaranth originates from the Americas. Studies show that the Asian examples of amaranth mirror the American or New World varieties, which is amazing. Now, this information, coupled with lack of variety in early examples of Asia amaranth compared to the diverse range of amaranth here in the Americas, well, leads many to believe that all amaranth originated from the New World, maybe even prior to the Ice Age. This could have been a Clovis crop. Now, the whole plant is edible. When the leaves are this old, they start to get a little dry, but you can still cut them and cook them. Amaranth is edible from the moment it comes out of the ground as a microgreen. And when the seed heads are ready, you'll know, because if you just shake the head in your hand, if you have amaranth seed, well, then that head is ready. See that? So that one, see the black shiny black dots are the amaranth. And you just blow on it a little, and the chaff will blow away. So this amaranth head here is ready to go. This one wasn't ready. So you can cut that head off, dry it for just a little bit, and then all the seed will be able to be extracted. So it's simple to grow amaranth. They fix carbon, and so they require very little nutrition in the soil. And they grow in drought conditions. And they grow native almost everywhere now, which is interesting because what we have here growing with the cultivated amaranth is this native amaranth. And it's growing right with it here and another one here. And once I saw this amaranth was one of our major weeds, I knew that growing cultivars like these was going to be very easy. And these are 6-footers. Absolutely spectacular black garnet amaranth. And this is more of a leaf variety, grown for the leaf and the beauty. We have over 4 varieties of amaranth on the property this year. And this is my favorite this year, the black garnet. And will be the most prolific as far as seeds. Hope you got something out of the video. Amaranth may be one of the most ancient grains that humans have ever cultivated and eaten. It's time you try some. Be safe. We love you. Share this with like-minded people. And get growing some amaranth.